In the dynamic and often challenging world of dating, unlocking the true secrets of attraction can be a game changer. Today, we're not just scratching the surface. We're diving deep into a crucial element that distinguishes the successful from the struggling confidence. Beyond the clichés and superficial advice lies a profound force that can reshape your dating landscape. Confidence isn't just about walking tall or projecting an image, it's a genuine power that emanates from within, making you truly irresistible to women. The dating arena can be a labyrinth of mixed signals and societal expectations, but amidst the complexity, confidence emerges as the North Star guiding your path. It's not a fleeting accessory, it's the backbone of genuine connection and allure. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to unravel the multifaceted layers of self-assuredness. By the end of this exploration, you'll not only understand the transformative potential of confidence, but also wield it as a formidable tool in the pursuit of meaningful connections. Get ready to redefine your approach to dating and step into a realm where authenticity reigns supreme. To delve deeper into our exploration, let's debunk a prevalent misconception that often hinders men in their dating journey. Contrary to popular belief, physical appearance is not the linchpin of attraction. Instead, it's confidence that holds the key. Confidence isn't a mere embellishment. It's a fundamental element that shapes the trajectory of your interactions and outcomes in the dynamic world of dating. In this segment, we'll unravel the layers of the confidence paradigm, highlighting why it's not just about how you look, but how you carry yourself. Moving beyond the surface, we'll explore the pivotal difference between dependent and independent confidence. While dependent confidence relies on external validation and approval, the game changer is independent confidence, a state where your self-assurance is unwavering, irrespective of external opinions or reactions. Brace yourself for insights that will redefine your understanding of confidence. Now, let me invite you into a personal realm, sharing an experience that vividly illustrates the transformative power of confidence. Picture a time when I, too, navigated the complexities of dating and stumbled upon the profound impact of genuine self-assurance. It wasn't just a shift in mindset, it was a revolution in my approach. Confidence, once embraced, became my silent companion, subtly influencing every interaction and ultimately changing the game. Stay tuned as we delve into more personal narratives and practical insights that will empower you to wield confidence as a silent force in your dating journey. Now, allow me to delve into the intriguing phenomenon known as the Andrew effect, a real-life testament to the unconventional power of confidence in the dating realm. Meet Andrew, a living example who boldly defies conventional dating wisdom. Andrew's narrative challenges the preconceived notions that often dictate attractiveness in the dating landscape. What sets Andrew apart is his ability to magnetize women, not through conforming to societal norms of attractiveness, but by embracing his own uniqueness. His posture may not adhere to the textbook definition of perfect, and his conversational style might deviate from typical dating advice. Yet there's an undeniable allure in his genuine self-assuredness. This challenges the very essence of attractiveness, urging us to look beyond the superficial. The crux of Andrew's story lies in the concept of independent confidence, a belief in oneself that transcends the need for external validation. Andrew's journey teaches us that attractiveness isn't confined to conforming to societal molds. It's about embracing authenticity and confidence, creating a unique allure that resonates far beyond the confines of conventional norms. As we dissect Andrew's narrative, we unearth invaluable lessons. His story becomes a beacon for those navigating the complexities of dating, illustrating that true allure doesn't stem from conformity, but from embracing your authentic self. So, stay tuned as we unravel more layers of the Andrew effect, decoding the essence of confidence and redefining the very fabric of attractiveness in the dating landscape. Now, let's boldly challenge a prevailing belief, the notion that physical appearance stands as the sole determinant of attraction. Today, I'll present a compelling argument that confidence, a dynamic and intrinsic quality, is a force that transcends the superficialities of looks. Prepare to shift your perspective as we delve into a realm where genuine self-assurance reigns supreme. Embark with me on a narrative journey that defies societal expectations and redefines the essence of attractiveness. Imagine a scenario where an individual's confidence becomes the focal point, overshadowing conventional norms. In this vivid tale, confidence emerges as a beacon, drawing people in and establishing connections that defy the preconceived notions of what is conventionally attractive. Through personal insights and stories, we'll unravel instances where confidence triumphed over societal expectations. These narratives serve as powerful illustrations, proving that genuine self-assurance possesses a magnetic quality that goes beyond the external. Confidence becomes the secret ingredient that transforms ordinary interactions into extraordinary connections, challenging the very fabric of what society deems attractive. Get ready for a paradigm shift as we challenge the narrow confines of traditional beauty standards. Confidence, as we'll explore, is the catalyst for a transformative journey that reshapes the narrative of attractiveness. Stay tuned as we navigate through real-life instances where confidence emerged victorious, paving the way for a new understanding of beauty that goes far beyond the surface. As we forge ahead, it's imperative to delve into the critical arena of mindset, the mental landscape where the seeds of true confidence are sown. In the pursuit of attractiveness, prioritizing confidence over mere appearance necessitates a pivotal mental shift. In this segment, we'll unravel the transformative power of reshaping your mindset, a journey that can render you inherently attractive, independent of external factors. To embark on this transformative journey, we'll explore the profound impact of positive thinking and the cultivation of a mindset that inherently exudes confidence. Positive affirmations become the cornerstone, shaping a mental environment where self-assurance thrives. The mind, often underestimated, emerges as a powerful tool that, when harnessed effectively, can reshape your entire approach to confidence. The mind, akin to a fertile ground, holds the potential to sprout the seeds of unwavering confidence. We'll delve into practical techniques and strategies, providing you with a toolkit for developing and maintaining an independent confidence mindset. This isn't about fleeting motivational quotes, but a systematic approach to rewiring your mental patterns, ensuring that confidence becomes an integral part of your core identity. Prepare to embark on a journey of self-discovery, where the landscape of your thoughts transforms into a sanctuary of confidence. Through practical insights and actionable steps, we'll navigate the intricacies of mindset shift, empowering you to radiate genuine self-assurance in every facet of your life. Stay tuned as we unravel the untapped potential within your mind, paving the way for a mindset that transcends superficialities and anchors itself in the magnetic force of confidence. Now, let's broaden our perspective on confidence, recognizing it as more than just a situational tool. It's a dynamic companion that accompanies you in various social scenarios, weaving through the tapestry of your everyday life. This segment aims to illustrate the profound impact of confidence, not confined to grand moments, but seamlessly integrated into the minutiae of your interactions. Prepare for a journey through real-world scenarios where confidence emerges as the unsung hero, elevating your presence and fostering genuine connections. From casual interactions with a waitress to more nuanced engagements with potential romantic interests, we'll unveil the transformative power of authentic confidence. The beauty of authentic confidence lies in its ability to integrate seamlessly into daily interactions. We'll explore practical tips on how to incorporate confidence without resorting to loud showcases or artificial displays. This isn't about exuding confidence for the sake of appearances. It's about embodying an authentic and unassuming self-assurance that leaves a lasting impact on those around you. By delving into these real-world scenarios, we aim to unveil the subtleties of confident interactions. It's not about grand gestures, but the subtle shifts in body language, tone, and approach that create an indelible mark. Stay tuned as we navigate through the nuances of confidence in everyday life, offering you insights that go beyond the surface and empower you to radiate genuine self-assurance effortlessly. In the intricate dance of confidence, embracing imperfections emerges as a fundamental and transformative aspect. This section invites you to delve deep into the profound concept of self-acceptance and how the genuine embrace of imperfections becomes a cornerstone of authentic confidence. Get ready for a journey that challenges societal norms and champions the beauty found in the acceptance of one's true self. To underscore the transformative power of embracing imperfections, we'll share poignant personal growth stories. These narratives will traverse the landscapes of self-discovery, illustrating how individuals navigated the path to self-assurance despite perceived shortcomings. These stories aren't just anecdotes. They are testaments to the resilience and strength found in embracing one's vulnerabilities. In this exploration, authenticity takes center stage as the magnetic force that transcends the superficial. We'll highlight the inherent attractiveness of authenticity, showcasing how genuine confidence goes beyond a polished exterior. The central premise is simple yet profound: imperfections make you unique and, in turn, more appealing. Brace yourself for a paradigm shift as we dismantle the conventional notions of flawlessness and celebrate the raw, unfiltered beauty that comes with embracing imperfections. As we navigate through this section, envision imperfections not as hindrances, but as unique brushstrokes that paint the canvas of your identity. Embracing imperfections isn't a concession, it's an assertion of your uniqueness quotient. Stay tuned as we delve into the art of embracing imperfections, fostering a mindset that not only enhances confidence, but also becomes the bedrock of genuine, irresistible allure. In the dynamic world of dating, confidence is the key, transcending clichés and reshaping the dating landscape. It's not just an accessory, but the backbone of genuine connection. Embrace independent confidence by ditching physical appearance misconceptions. Learn from personal narratives. Follow the Andrew effect for authenticity. Challenge appearance norms. Prioritize confidence over looks with positive thinking. Recognize confidence as an everyday tool for authentic integration and embrace imperfections for your uniqueness. In essence, true confidence reshapes interactions. Armed with insights, confidently embrace your uniqueness in dating and self-improvement. The journey continues, be confident, and witness your enchanting transformation.